Is this thing on? Hey faithfuls, I know it's been a minute, but life's been lifing. The pixie been pixieing, but I'm back with a wig that might help redeem myself. So we're gonna do it all today. We're gonna do the unboxing, and I'm gonna do the install. I'm gonna do a couple cute little styles for y'all, and of course I'm gonna have my unfiltered review as always. So let's get into it. Okay, so this unit is another Jalisa banger. They've become my favorite braided wig vendor so far. Premium packaging per usual. Let's get the wig out. All right, so they're gonna give you a melting belt to hang and store your unit, a wig cap, and of course the wig. Tendonism. Okay, let's look at it. Let's get into it. We got the HD Swiss lace. Now this is a Bora unit. So this unit is going to give you the flexibility of having braids, but kind of like having bundles. So it's braids really on the base, but the majority of it is just out. I didn't mention this is human hair. So you are going to have the ability to style this like any of your other human hair wig. It's time to cover up this pixie. I've been enjoying this pixie a little too much, guys, but let's go. Okay, let me clean this makeup off my hairline. Before I put it on, I forgot to show y'all, this is a full lace wig, which means you can part it any way you like. I am going to go ahead and add some powder to the back. I'm actually going to add some powder to the whole entire unit. If any powder gets on the hair, just wipe it off with a damn cloth. Okay, so this is what it's looking like now that I've added some powder. It is a pre-cut unit. It does have some baby hairs in the back for wearing it up, and it has some baby hairs in the front. I'm gonna try it on and see if I want to keep the baby hairs or not. And it does have this elastic band, so it is meant to be worn glueless if you want to. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this just a little bit. My first impression once I tried it on was how lightweight it is, which is a key selling point for me with braids. All right, let's go with the middle part first, because that's how it really came, with the middle part. But y'all know how I feel about a middle part. I'm gonna trim this lace a little bit on the side. Okay, I ended up trimming it across the entire wig, but of course this is a personal option. I just prefer less lace on my unit, but it was fine the way they cut it. Now I'm gonna put the elastic band on it and let it do its thing while I go make a smoothie. Be right back. Y'all, look at my smoothie I made. Oh, how cool. This came up in colors. I've been making these recently and they're so good. Okay, back to the wig. So put it to the side, push this a little back so it's not like in my face. Another key selling point for this unit is the fact that it's human hair. With the recent news of some synthetic hair containing hazardous chemicals which can lead to cancer, it made finding human hair a higher priority for me. Not to mention, it tangles less too. As I mentioned previously, this is kind of like a hybrid between braids and bundles. So you can actually curl this hair. So let's see if I add a curl. So I just added a couple. I don't want to put too much in because I want to do something else to the hair, but you guys can get the idea that this hair curls like regular bundles or regular human hair wig would. If you just take the little barrel of your curling iron, it'll help flatten down the top. All right, so let me give y'all like a full length look. If you stretch it, it comes down here. But, you know, I prefer my hair more full. Now, if you want to add some mousse, you can add mousse to it. And it will give it a different look. A more tamed body wave look. So this is the side with mousse. The side without mousse. whatever floats your boat. I'm gonna just go ahead and add mousse to this side so it could match. My glasses, do I look more studious? Half up, half down. You could do like little barrel curls as well. And as you can see, it does take the curls very well. One thing will be, as always, if you curl the hair, it is going to make the hair shorter. But that's just something to keep in mind if you prefer to keep the length. I'm gonna do this side so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so I just did this side, and funny enough, I thought this would take a lot of times, but this took me no more than 5 minutes to do this. I think I like the curled side better. Y'all let me know, what y'all think? Now this is with the mousse, so you know it's a little less full looking. This is the mousse, this is the curl. Which one y'all like better? Make sure y'all leave y'all comment in the comment section below and let me know how you would rock it. And if you want bigger curls, you could just do multiple strands together and it will be like this. However, if you prefer the skinnier curls, just do them each braid individually. Either which way, it's really fast to do. So yeah, the choice is yours. So guys, as always, if you're interested in purchasing this unit, I'm gonna have everything linked in the description box down below. But I'm gonna need y'all to give me some feedback on this unit. Let me know what y'all thoughts are. Is this like the type of unit that you could see yourself wearing? And if not, let me know why. Go ahead and talk to me down below. I'll talk back. As always, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.